Hello my YouTube friend, this is Now Mechanic here, and today I want to do a review on a splash shield I bought from eBay from a company called Overdrive Brands. I have never heard from this company, but a friend of mine that is a mechanic, he knew that I was looking for a splash shield for my 2010 Kia Soul, so he said to shop from them. So now the first thing I noticed, this thing arrived like in 2 days, in 3 days. It arrived quickly. The packaging looks nice and clean. That that they took their time packing it. It is very light for a splash shield. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open it and see the quality of the splash shield. So let's open it. So now I open it, I see that there's no bubble wrap, but it can be that it don't have no bubble wrap because it's so light. But this is how it comes inside the splash shield. It is very, very light. I noticed that the plastic feels kind of cheap. The plastic do feel kind of cheap. It has a lot of imperfections in here. I can see like the holes and the carving of it. See it? But for what I paid for it, I paid I think $25, and they wanted 40 to 50 bucks on the splash shield, and it say made in Taiwan. It has a lot of imperfections, but other than that, it looks pretty good. Not high quality. Like I said, it's a very, very, very cheap plastic. So this is how it looks. Splash shield from Overdrive Brands in eBay. Let's see how, I'm going to see tomorrow how it looks in my car. So once again, this is Now Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below. Or contact me on nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Now Mechanic can do it,
you can do it.
Later. So here how the splash shield looks in the car. Even though with all the imperfections it had, it almost fit almost perfect. Remember, this is an aftermarket one. I don't know what I did with the screw that goes here. I'm missing the screw here and the one over there. But it actually looks pretty good. Look at the original one. The original plastic felt like a hard plastic. This one feels like a soft plastic, like a cheap plastic, but for what I wanted to cover the splashes from going in the engine and all that, not bad. So here how it looks, in case you're thinking of buying from them. There it goes.